back with another Boosted by 3 video. You can follow me at _Trav the Cool Dad. We're working on the S13. Basically what I need to do today is drop the subframe, get the old four lug wheels off. These wheels are for sale. I'll take a picture of them and post them on our IG. If anyone wants them, hit us up. But I need to get it done so I can put the new GKtech aluminum bushings in and go take this subframe, go get it powder coated, and then start putting all the GKtech drop knuckles and everything else on. Steven couldn't make it today. He's on vacation up in Northern California with his wife. Shout out to you. I know you couldn't be here, but I know you wanted to, but it is what it is. But yeah, show some love, baby.
Oh, yeah, yeah. How could I see?
After a little bit of sketchy jacking, what I had to do was basically, because I'm working outside, is I had to dig out the mulch and put bricks under so these jack hands will stay. I also got the jack on the rear diff, but I shook it. I stood up and shook it, and doesn't seem to be going anywhere. I'm not really gonna be under the car too much anyways, but now that I got the car up on jack stands, let's go ahead and take off these tires and let's drop the subframe.
You looking way too good. Got me thinking about the past and what we used to do. No, I can't say that I want to go back again, but it's been way too hard for us to just be friends. Cause every time I see you walking, girl, you know you look sexy, and you know what you're doing. All the things I do if you let me, but we both know it can't happen. We know it just ain't worth it. I've been messing around with some others, and that there would just hurt it. Baby, I'm all about my profit, no interruptions. Don't be saying come over, cause I'ma leave for something. I ain't playing no games, yeah. Tell me what you thinking, I'ma tell you what.
One thing, this is kind of sketchy. Obviously it's sturdy on the jack stands, but just being under there is creepy. But you gotta work with what you got. I know you guys are probably gonna message me telling me I'm stupid, but you gotta work with what you got. Other than that, I got the upper control arms off. I loosened the coilovers. I'm probably just gonna go straight to the bushings and try to drop it.
I don't gotta be drinking, yeah. Late night trips taking all day.
Had some trouble with the impact, trying to get some of the bolts off. So what I'm gonna do right now is remove the drive shaft. And actually what I've noticed is I bought this car as a shell, but whoever had this car before me, they only had 2 bolts in their drive shaft when there's 4. So I thought that was pretty stupid and funny. But I got a new diff, so I'm not too worried about it right there. I'm not too worried about it. But man, I'm gonna let this PV blaster sit for a little bit, and if that doesn't work, I'll take a torch to it. But for right now, I'm gonna take the sway bar off, get some other stuff out of my way. I'm just gonna drop it as one complete.
You baby in the hallway, now we just fighting when you call me. Every time you come, I hit it always. Late night trips taking all day. Just talk to you, baby, in the hallway. Now we just fighting when you call me. Every time you come, I hit it always. If you see my number calling you at night, girl, you know I'm calling. Sorry, baby, that's what I like. If you call me in the morning, you gon' get a different me, yeah. I can never say I'm sorry, that's just something that I need, yeah. Shorty, let me be real with you. Bust it open, let me make a deal with you. I got bills, I ain't really tryna chill with you. I say words I ain't never gonna feel to you. You don't love me, okay, that's all cool. Don't start crying, baby, that's all you. Single ass girl and your friends are too. All because they good.
After about a couple hours, I got the rear end out. She is dirty, but I'm gonna end up replacing everything here. This is getting replaced. These are getting replaced. The axles are getting replaced. Oh, man. Lower control arm's getting replaced. The knuckles getting replaced. This OEM dip's getting replaced. These axles are getting replaced. I got a cast two-way right there about to put in. I got some GKtech aluminum bushings, so I'm gonna have to cut these out and then burn them to get the bushings out. And then once I do that, it's off to powder coating. You guys have been following the channel for the last, month since we've had it up. I mean, we've already redid almost the whole engine pay, got rid of the vacuum booster, put on the new C32 powder coated calipers, and went from 4-lug to 5-lug. And as you can see, I mean, we're moving along pretty fast. My plan in the next 6 months to have this car already like show ready, even though it's gonna be a drift car. I want it to be super, super clean. I plan on selling it after I'm done. I'm gonna enjoy it for a little bit, go drift out, and then end up selling it. But yeah, it's been a good night. I'm gonna clean up, get this in the garage, do everything I gotta do. I won't take anything off today. I'll do that tomorrow. Go hang out with my daughter and everything. But I'm gonna clean up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like our IG page. We have merch coming soon. We're getting the logo right now developed. It's actually in the making. We have this guy doing it. He's super dope. I've already seen some of it. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna have merch for sale: hoodies, snapbacks, shirts, everything. If you guys see us at any car meets, feel free to come up, get your order in. I'm telling you, they're gonna be super dope. But in the next video, I'm gonna show you guys my two-way, because I had to put some fluid in and everything. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't wait to drive this thing again. But till then, it's been real. Love you guys. Please like and subscribe to our channel on IG and on YouTube. Obviously, support really helps. We plan on opening a shop one day, because this right here, this crowded garage is a no-go. We need our own place. But until next time, I'm signing out. Peace. What's up, everybody? Travis here. Actually, I was not gonna work on taking apart the S13 rear end tonight, but after I put my daughter to sleep, I was kind of bored, and I figured, since tomorrow's Friday, go drop it off at the powder coating tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna take this damn thing apart. I'm gonna go with black, because why not? I don't want to go any kind of crazy color. But obviously I want to rebuild this car as much as I can. I want it to look brand new. Once I have that in powder coating, I'm going to go, I'm gonna clean the undercarriage of the car, and then I'm gonna recoat it, because we want to restore this car all the way. So it's cold and it's late, but let's take it apart.
I sound true, don't want me, no wifey. No, that ain't like me. Right now I'm tryna keep moving, slowing down, that ain't likely. Yeah, I done learned all my lessons. All these hoes have me stressing. It's like they taking my time while they stripping and dressing. No. Baby, I don't wanna fight about it unless we fighting about pay. If we fighting, we getting over it. I can't do this.
All right, guys, I got the rear subframe all the way taken apart. At this point, what I'm gonna do now is drill through the bushings to get the hard rubber, to get the hard metal out, and then I'm gonna burn the bushings out. Once I do that, I'm gonna clean it with soap and water, and then drop it off at the powder coating place tomorrow. Down here, I'm not gonna use any of this stuff. I'm not gonna use this control arm, this lower control arm. I'm not gonna use this axle, because the new one I got is for a 180 SX, so it has a one hole. So my new axles have one hole. Only thing I'm gonna use from this whole assembly is the hub nut right here, and the cotter pin, and maybe some miscellaneous bolts, but maybe this e-brake holder. But other than that, we almost got the whole car together, so let's get it done.
I don't need no one telling me about what I gotta go do. Love and lust is so hard to trust, and I cannot say I love you. Late night dreams taking all day. Used to talk to you, baby, in the hallway. Now we just fighting when you call me. Every time you come, I hate it always. talking all day, all day. Just talk to you, baby, in the hallway, yeah. We just fighting when you call me, when you call me. Every time you come, I hit it always. How could I see?
I'm only doing this one at a time. You get one up here with burn. Oh, she's not here. She's at her. No, other grandma. Really, yeah. Hopefully it's What's up, everybody? Travis here. It's another day. I stopped last night. It was getting too late, but today, as you can see, back to burning the bushings. Once I get this rubber out, I got to knock out the sleeves because the bushings, the new aluminum bushings, GKtech bushings I got, you have to get rid of the actual sleeving that's inside the subframe as well. It takes about 20 minutes to burn out the rubber. I'm just doing one at a time. I want to control the fire, obviously. But I got the hose right here and everything. But once I get that done, knock out the sleeving and then drop it off with powder coating. As you can see, I mean, these are just a pain to get out. What you have to do is you have to pry this lip up all the way around, turn the subframe upside down and start hitting this down, start hitting these down. It was not easy, but I mean, we got it. Here are all 4 bushings. This was the last one that came out, and this one was the worst to come out. One of these just popped out. I believe this one just came out. All this took some force. But now that we got all the bushings out, I got this wire brush, and I'm gonna get a bunch of this gunk off. 30 years of gunk. So when I take it to the powder coating, the color doesn't bleed all over the new color, and gonna look good.
I wasn't gonna say nothing, but you looking way too good. Got me thinking about the past and what we used to do. No, I can't say that I want to go back again, but it's been way too hard for us to just be friends. Cause every time I see you walking, girl, you know you look sexy, yeah, you know what you're doing, all the things I do.
As you can see, by looking at the ground, I got most of the gunk off. I just wanted to get most of it off so when they powder coat it, it's easier to sandblast. But I'm excited to get these new bushings in. It's gonna be super freaking dope. It's gonna be nice and sturdy. Man, I can't wait to drift this thing. All right, everybody. I'm gonna clean up, get done. Mailman's here. Clean up, and I'll let you guys know when I get it back from powder coating. Please add me at _TravTheCoolDad and our main page _boosting by 3. And until next time. Much love, baby.
We both know it can't happen. We know it just ain't worth it. I've been messing around with some others, and that there would just hurt it. Baby, I'm all about my profit, no interruptions.